The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hill County in north-central Texas, northwestern Limestone County in north-central Texas, south-central Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected 2 severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. One storm was located 2 miles west of Mount Calm in southern Hill County, and the other was located at Dawson in Navarro County. Movement was east at 10 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Coolidge around 8:30 p.m. This will impact Interstate 35 between mile markers 354 and 355. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. And now the short